Right, welcome to Chef's Corner again. I'm here with Liam. What have we got today?
Today we've got a super duper Lentil Dahl. Now I know you like a bit of Indian food, so I made this especially in honour of you. Can I have some rice, please?
Of course you can, Chef.
Good man, thank you.
Yes, Chef.
Let's crack on. Right, here's your split red lentils. And into this, John, we're going to power it up with a bit of super duper vitamin D, roasted flat mushrooms, and our homemade yogurt bread.
Firstly, this looks amazing to look at. I know lentils are really good for lowering your LDL cholesterol, which is massively important, and they're full of fibre. So I'd definitely say yes to that. I do like a bit of bread.
Right, that bread is the only bit of flour that's involved in this. That bread is only made with yogurt, self-raising flour, some mustard seeds, and a little bit of organic rapeseed oil. How's that, John? Pack a punch?
That's amazing. So far, my favourite dish.
Excellent.
Listen, Liam, and listen everyone out there, this is a must-try dish from the chef to you. Enjoy.